Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to learn C++ completely from ChatGPT. I just got through some smart pointers, and I'm still pretty confused with it. I got through the syntax of it, so I'm gonna review the diagram. I feel like I kind of understand it. So when you create this dog and make it a shared, you basically have this dog, okay? Which can easily just point to our cat, and our cat also has a weak pointer to dog. And this would normally, I guess, create a cyclic reference, because then dog has to point back to cat, and this would continue, obviously, like you can see with this cycle. But the whole point of using a weak pointer is that it's just creating a weak reference, so it doesn't have to own the resources. Something like that. This is something I hope I never have to actually implement in real life, but who knows. I have two options. I could either probably try to get a mega review of pointers or just continue. But I just realized now that I went through pointers, I should actually learn about destructors. Because that was the first thing, that was one reason I didn't feel like studying destructors, because I didn't even understand pointers in the first place. So that's all it is. You can just create pointers instead of your class that can be manually deleted. I guess that would be pretty useful. Bad, so it's time to move on to the next lesson. Oh no, more pointers. This already sucks, but let's see. I can create a two-dimensional array, and I guess to dynamically allocate memory for it, I could use this double pointer to start out with the array, and then call it as an integer *3. So that just creates your 1 of 3. And inside of there, I guess you open up space to make it so that declare it as a row 4, I guess. And then if you ever want to do it, you just have to go manually through and just delete the indices. You can't just delete the whole thing. That sucks. There's also this thing where you have to manage memory allocation failures. std no throw integer 100. If the pointer is null, that means it gets failed, and then use the allocator and you can later delete it. I guess that makes sense. And then you can also use exceptions instead, where if you try it, it just will tell you that it didn't work. And then custom memory management can be implemented for performance optimization, debugging, and managing complex data structures. I don't understand why it's teaching me about custom memory pool. Is with vectors, because I have no idea how the heck to use a vector. I think this is supposed to be mimicking a stack. I could be so wrong though. I really do not want to do this assignment though, so I'm willing to do the first two to create a 2D array of integers and then initialize values and print it, finally deallocate. I'm willing to do those ones, but I have no idea when it comes to creating a custom memory management pool. So I think I would do int star array equals new array *3. I'm just guessing. I could have gotten this first try. Oh, it's int. Hey, not bad at all. Okay, for some reason this is doing a completely different program. I think this works. Let me try again. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, I think that probably works. See, that was a pretty easy assignment. I guess I could do the other one for catching exceptions, or just not catching exception and just seeing if it became null because it just didn't work. So I guess I just put in parentheses std no throw. Now we can do this again, but instead we're using try and catches. Okay, now I need to remember what the exception is. I'm not remembering that now. Bad alloc. Okay. I can get it by e.what. Which for some reason I just think sounds funny. e.what. Looks like this one succeeded. The other one succeeded too. So yeah, I feel like that covers the first two concepts. Syntax, way easier to just consume than smart pointers, which just seemed like an overwhelmingly large amount of stuffs. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hope you subscribe. Like always, bye bye.